Glengegan. I'm the Managing Director of CG Business Consulting. We're Ireland's leading ISO consultancy practice. We're excited today to be at the QEHS Expo. We're the gold sponsor, and we've been working with Premier Publishing for the last 3 years on running the QEHS Expo and arranging for keynote speakers who are all experts in their fields.
My name is Dan Buckley from Cobots.ie. We're Ireland's leading distributor of collaborative robots. The show is more of a showcase for us to show our products. We generate some business, but it's a great place to launch products. We find the show fantastic. This is our 4th year doing the show. We started in the Aviva. It gets bigger and better every year.
So we're here today as part of the Midlands Engenuity cluster. It's an innovation-led program. What we're trying to do is take small engineering companies together as a group to help them grow and innovate. So far today, the group have been getting a fantastic response. It's really creating an awareness for Engenuity at the event. Lots and lots of interaction on each of the 10 stands. We were here last year in a much smaller scale, so after the response from today's event, definitely bigger and better next year.